There's still goosebumps on my hand and tears and everything. These guys are so focused. First of all, to create such kind of things, to coordinate, to from choreograph is a different all game. But to think of and to get together and achieve this in a short span of time, it's outstanding. I think in the Audi, I think all of us were like spellbound because it's outstanding. Few guys they get together and they make such kind of thing. It's out of the box and it's really if anybody sees this show, I'm sure he'll be very excited and the feeling of patriotism will come automatically inside the guy. And I was choked, I was in tears in some portion, and the performance is outstanding. The choreography is outstanding. The costume is brilliant. So I think it's matching the level of some international show or something. This show is a must for all the kids, especially who just read the history or watch it on TV maybe. But this is real India. This is real fight for India.
I think wept quite a lot during the show, and you've witnessed films where you feel that how a maker can make you, he can make you laugh, he can make you cry within just few seconds, and that's what we've actually witnessed here today in a play here, where this man Harshal Kamath can make you laugh, make you smile, and the very next moment you actually have tears in your eyes. It is the most difficult thing for any artist or any maker to actually convince you, and get that out. And he's done that today. When people have to smile and laugh, people were smiling, they're laughing. People have to clap, they were clapping. And the very next moment, there's absolute silence in the hall. And it takes a great artist to do that, and he's one of them. Right now, I'm taking up something that I've not done enough. Right now, I'm taking off saying that. Uh, I have been personally lacking, and I'm not feeling too good about my own self. I think that's what I'm taking back, and probably try and just work on all the drawbacks that we have, and just try and improve in whichever we can for the country.
The play, the musical, whatever I saw, whatever you can call it, it was outstanding. Harshal actually ने surprise किया मुझे. Didn't expect such emotions, such fun, such drama in one package. So I wish him all the best. I'm glad I came, and I'm glad I came and saw the play, the musical, what Harshal directed. I'm so proud of him. He's choreographed me in a reality, and I knew he's amazing, and he just proved me right.
All that I have to say is, Harshal, मैं गाली नहीं सकता, but fuck, I love you. I love what you've done. I love every bit of the show that I saw right now. And hats off to what you guys have pulled off. It was just sheer brilliance. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Kannan, and I just saw India the musical, and I have to tell you, it was exhilarating. It touched our soul, it touched our heart, and most importantly, it was so larger than life. But there was something very, very earnest about it. It had simplicity associated with it. It had honesty associated with it. This is going to be on the global map. I'm sure it's going to go international. I'm sure every Indian is going to be proud of this. Harshal Kamath, the director, the writer, the choreographer, we're so proud of you because it takes us down the memory lane. It makes us celebrate India's history, heritage, culture. It makes us celebrate humanity. It makes us celebrate the feelings which go in our soul. It makes us stand up and say, Jai Hind, we are proud to be Indians. And this is one event, one musical every must watch because it makes you feel proud to be an Indian. This is as big and as honest as it gets. India the musical, Jai Hind.
Hi, myself Bakhtiyar Irani, and I was here to watch The Soul of India. And The Soul of India basically reminded me of all the things right from the 18th century to 2016. A great journey which got over in like 2 hours. And the entire message was very nicely put, but I just want to say one thing. Till we individuals don't realize what we are doing and we don't abide by the rules and regulations ourselves, somewhere down the line, we are spoiling the soul of India. Simple logic of a traffic rule, if we can abide by, we are abiding by the soul of India. If we respect women, we are abiding by the soul of India. I think we should get the change amongst ourselves rather than asking others to take the initiative. And I just wish and pray that everyone has that much common sense to deal with the entire change and bring about a change in the soul of India. So I think it was a great journey, and I wish the team, Mad Company and Soul of India all the best. And please, do send the message across, people, and let's come and encourage the soul of India. Thank you.
I would say expected from Herschel because I know him very well. He's been my supervising choreographer in Nach, and Pratik and Prithvi have been his assistants. So I know what he actually thinks. I know what his vision is always. He's been from Shamak. I was also from Shamak for any meaty titsy bitsy time. And somewhere down the line, if I may tell you this, we had done a performance in Nach where we had portrayed this whole 7.5 minutes act on theatre, like a theatre in a dance reality show for the first time ever, where I acted, I danced, and I anchored as well. So this was Herschel's idea at that point of time, and he envisioned that at that point of time. And I clearly remember I totally refused him. I said, listen, 7.5 minutes of anchoring, acting, dancing in a reality show, it's absolutely impossible. It's one take. If something goes wrong, people are going to fuck us and throw it out of the competition. But we did that and we nailed it, and I think that's what the turning point of the show as well, which actually ended up. And when I see this, when Herschel is doing exactly what he had envisioned at that point of time on a larger scale, which is like a 2 hours play, and he's anchoring, he's acting, he's directed the whole play, he has envisioned this. So I think hats off to his idea, hats off to what he has thought, hats off to the fact that he stuck to his vision. And I think it's absolutely fantastic and majestic, and everyone's going to love this over a period of time. I mean, it's emotional. It draws you back to where you have left your boundaries. It talks about all those things that we forget. And absolutely another thing, it's a bang on right timing because 15th August is approaching. People will understand it, and this is the right time when people take this insight. Maybe, probably, another time people will not take this, but 15th August and 26th January are the times when people accept this beautifully with both hands. So I think I'm very, very happy for him. Yeah. I'm biased towards him. Especially, I think, obviously, amidst all the celebration and the gaga and the blah blah, and all the dancing and the costumes, there's one act that absolutely stood out was Mangal Pandey. I think that act, the boy who did that, and obviously the way Herschel directed it, I think that boy got it bang on. I mean, वो जो correct सुर और correct pitch जो उसने पकड़ा है, I think मुझे नहीं लगता किसी और ने उतना अच्छा पकड़ा है. I think it does give you goosebumps when you're watching it at your seat, and you're like, dude, क्या वो सच में हुआ था? और किसी ने ऐसा भी किया था, the kind of courage they may have gone through. And of course Rani ki Jhansi also, Jhansi ki Rani of course, but especially that act from Mangal Pandey just gives you goosebumps, and it just draws you back to those boundaries and those lines which you have forgotten over a period of time. I know a little bit, I will not say that. but what happens is when you see rehearsals in a hall, it's very different. But when you see it on stage with costumes, with set designing, with props, with lighting, with music, it enhances 10,000 times. So I'm expecting a lot of turns and twists, which obviously Herschel will bring, because I know the way he ended on Ganpati was the interval point. I knew that. I told my sister, I said the intermission point is coming. He's going to leave it on a high. That's absolutely for sure. And of course, the beginning was obviously, has to be higher than anything else. So both the songs have been brilliant, and I'm expecting a lot more. And he should not die under those expectations, but I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to it, man. Thank you so much.
इंडिया द म्यूजिकल में क्या बताऊँ कैसा लगा, मतलब आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. कभी कभी कुछ एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं, और ये प्ले जो है वो लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है. जो आज के दौर में जो सामाजिक तौर पर जो चल रहा है, जो स्थिति है, ये पूरा का पूरा शो जो है ना, वो इसका एक कल्बिनेशन है. वो पूरा दर्शाता है उस चीज़ को. और इन दी एंड मैं क्लाइमेक्स के बारे में बयान नहीं कर सकता. मतलब मैं प्ले देख करके, अमूमन होता क्या है ना कि सिनेमा देखकर, फिल्म देखकर आप थोड़ा सा भावुक हो जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको प्ले भावुक कर दे, अगर आपको प्ले सोचने पे मजबूर कर दे, आपको प्ले जो है बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल कर दे, आपकी आंखें नम हो जाएं, तो यकीन मानिए कि फिर आपने, और यहाँ पर तमाम किरदार, तमाम लोगों ने, हर्षल ने, तमाम टीम ने जो है वो मेहनत करी, और वो मेहनत जो है वो दिल से करी और दिल तक पहुँची. एंड आई लव द शो. और जितने तमाम लोग हैं जो ये देख रहे होंगे, उनसे कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ आकर के ये शो देखें. डोंट मिस इट. So please come and watch the play called India the Musical.